Hello guys, this is Techiana back with another video. Today we will be talking about Docker containers, but before I get into Docker containers, I would like to explain virtual machines so it will make more sense to you. So virtual machines are an emulation of a computer system, and it is on a physical, hardware. And it is based on computer architectures, and it provides the same functionality you would have as a physical computer. As you can tell, it does use the hypervisor, and so this is containers. The difference here is instead of using the hypervisor, it's the Docker. And to see a side-by-side comparison, as you can see, virtual machines have a hypervisor and they have two guest OS versus the containers, which just have the container, which makes it more lightweight and more efficient. The virtual machines are managed by the hypervisor, and they utilize the VM hardware, while the container provides operating system services, and it uses virtual memory from the hardware. So a Docker is a set of platform as a service products, and they use OS level virtualization, which delivers software to package in packages, which are called containers in this case. And they also do communicate well with each other, but cannot view into each other for security. Okay. So Docker creates a new container, and then it does its security with the read write, which then allows the container to be ran, and it does a function or a service for you. There's many benefits to Docker. As I said, Docker containers are very lightweight, they're very efficient, they're very popular, the return on investment, the cost and savings are amazing. Standardization is very good because you can, repeatability, there's testability, you can develop, there's container image efficiency, there's compatibility and maintainability. You're able to spend less time, simplicity, very easy to use. It's easy for rapid development, deployment, continuous deployment and testing. Isolation is a very big factor as well. Security, since you're not allowed to, run into processes into another container. And also, there's a bunch of success stories with Docker, ADP, one that I did not know of, Spotify. It runs a bunch of microservices and very good. Now Spotify is able to keep everything up and running. There's great user experience. I'm also using Spotify, and it's just Docker and containers have been a huge success. And Docker is used to run and deploy applications. It's using microservices and having the ability to be secure and test and maintain